도그나 싸움 도그나 싸움 그냥 porque 그냥 또 마음부다 아멘.
Okay, you ready?
Alright. Galerge kogade. Galerge kogade. Oh, suo kle kogade. You're me, Jason. That means I am Jason. Your ma ne poi knya. Your po o ki gar. Your tha o ani that she. Your u ple ler America. America. Your do to ler Niagara Falls. Your mo your pa u nui si ni. Your j snow da ta ko. That means she doesn't like snow. I know that. She hates the snow.
No, that's about you, Nani.
Pausing hates snow. Yeje ta hesu. Yeje ha tesu.
What does that mean?
Telling Jojo, get out the sink. That's what it means. Yeje ha tesu. It means get out of the sink. Yeje ta hesu. Yeje ta hesu. Ta hesu ne yer me mu. Ta hesu ne yer me mu. Yane yer pata di poi pota a do la. That means I poop my pants.
I think that
Your ma ta. Your ma ter je ba. That means your mom pooped her pants. Your ma ter je ba. Salah, your ma jer te ba.
Do it again.
Your ma ter je ba.
Ginger.
At this point, this is the point where we say, if you have something that you want me to say in Karen, please put it in the comment description. And I don't know, Paul, do you understand the Karen writing? The writing?
Yeah.
Okay, Paul understands Karen writing. She doesn't understand Thai or Burma or Kareni or the other Karen. But if you put it in her Karen language and maybe English or something, I don't know, and then she'll have me say it next time. Galer gay kogade. Osuo kle kogade. Your Miller Jason. Your tha o ani that she. Your o play ler America. Your do to ler Niagara Falls. Your mo your pa o ni nwe si ni. Your je snow do ta koi. This just in. Your la pota. Your la pota. Just in. Your la pota.
Say it again.
Your la pota.
So you start here, right? Start here.
Your je je ta he su. Ta he su ne your me mue. Mu. Ya ne your pa ta di poi po ta a tho la.
Now which one?
Your ma ter je ba. Your la
Which one
po
is
ta.
it?
You understand? Look like your hair.
That means you pooped your pants?
I know you think like a child. That's what I said. You play like toy all the time. Right, Sila? Daddy plays with toys all the time, right?
I got some toys to attend to.
So what else you want to say?
Oh, you said it all. I've said the whole list. Uh-oh.
The whole list. Jojo, what?
Mom, look.
Jojo, lên này, mặc cái short ạ. Jojo's cleaning. What are Jojo doing, huh? Jojo's cleaning, huh? Cleaning a sink. What is the filter? Jojo, no?
He's
got
it. Right there.
So, đã clean này, đã hết chú. So le, just say you done?
Yep.
Okay, just say Willie ma. You see, dia pakai nyanyi tina pakai. You guys understand him?
I'm with Willia.
I'm with Willie.
I'm with Willia. I'm with Willia.
What time is it?
It is like 7 o'clock.
So 5:53. January Yesita. What is it, bro?
No.
I don't have the.
Ara?
I don't even know if I could say it.
January. Say.
Yenari. Ri. Yenari.
January Yesi.
Yenari. Yesi. Det. Me.
I see you.
Me.
Say.
Yenari. Yesi. Det. Me. Ni.
There you go. Good job. You know how to say right correctly the first time. January Yesita minute. Okay. What else? Tell them that we like to sleep until 3 p.m.
I go to sleep from 5 in the morning until 3 p.m. Just like the kids. The kids do the exact same thing. Pa wakes up when we go to sleep. So we go to sleep at 5 and then she wakes up. And then she goes to sleep. She's about to go to sleep after this video.
We should film again tonight.
Because she's the opposite. When the sun goes down, Pa goes to sleep. She wakes up when the sun comes up, but we're the opposite. Me and the kids go to sleep when the sun goes up. And we wake up when the sun goes down. Nocturnal.
There are night people. I'm a morning person. Not so morning. I wake up for like 9 or 10. So we don't really have anything to do. Signing off now.